This is Tyler Krompiatek from COLI at Canisius with a quick tip for faculty, staff, and students. You can add major holidays to your calendars, which can be useful as you build out your syllabus, plan meetings, and more. We will go over how to do this in Google Calendar and then Desktop Outlook. Unfortunately, there is no easy way to get holidays in Web Outlook currently. In your Google Calendar on the left-hand sidebar, find Other Calendars. Click on the plus sign to the right of it. In the menu that appears, click on Browse Calendars of Interest. From here, you can choose regional holidays by clicking on Browse All. From there, you can click on the checkbox to the left of all regional holidays that you want to be able to view. Additionally, it will be worth it to check the boxes to the left of the major global religious holidays. When you are done choosing all of your holidays, click on the back arrow in the upper left to the left of Settings. In your calendar, you should see all of the holidays that you have chosen if there are any for that week. You can turn these calendars on and off by clicking on the checkbox to the left of their title in the Other Calendars section. If you want to see all of your events from your active calendars for the month, click on the drop-down menu in the upper right corner titled Week. From there, you have several different viewing options. Choose Month. To go back to viewing the week, simply click on the drop-down menu again and choose Week. Let's quickly go and add holiday calendars to our desktop Outlook. To do that, you do not go to the Calendar tab. Instead, click on File in the upper left corner. Then click on Options. From there, click on Calendar. Under the section titled Calendar Options, find and click on Add Holidays. Here you have both the regional holidays and religious holidays in the same list in alphabetical order. Click on the checkboxes to the left of the holidays that you want to include. As far as religious holidays, Outlook allows you to choose from Christian, Islamic, and Jewish holiday calendars. Once you have chosen your holidays, click on OK. You will get a quick loading screen and then a pop-up saying that these holidays have been added. Click on OK, and then exit out of the Outlook Options window and look at your calendar. Keep in mind that these holidays will be added as events in your calendar and not as separate calendars. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, please contact us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.